Let's look at some words of CH. Church, church. Letter CH sound ch. Church, church. Good. Let's look at another word from sound ch. Chair, chair. I sit on a chair. I sit on a chair. Let's look at another word of letter CH sound ch. You're going to like this one. Chocolate, chocolate. That's right. Chocolate. Sound ch. Chocolate. Great. I want you to practice the sound ch. So I'm going to say it 5 times. I want you to repeat after me. Letter CH sound ch. Your turn. Letter CH sound ch. Your turn. Letter CH sound ch. Did you say ch? That's correct. Let's try 2 more times. Letter CH sound ch. Last time. Letter CH sound ch. 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 Remember, to get the ch sound, your lips go, your tongue goes up, your teeth are close together, your lips are round, and a silent burst of air. Ch. 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 Remember, we learned letter J sound J. 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 Letter J is a loud sound, and letter CH sound ch is a silent sound. See you in class. Practice your sounds. Bye-bye.